What inspired you to run for mayor? How do you prepare for a role?
Very, very in-depth. I read the script first, then I get the overview of it, then I read it again for my character, the feeling of it, and then I read it again psychologically, and then I read it again many times. Yung mga ano ba ang psychological, personality. Yan. What is the movie trying to say or the TV trying to say? So medyo malalim. It's a very psychological process actually.
Who's your all-time favorite artist to collaborate with and why?
I don't know. I'd like to. I think I'd like to collaborate again with the director of Quezon's Game. Yes, I think he has the capacity to bring the film industry of the Philippines international. Yes.
What's the hardest role you've ever played? May it be personal or
Hardest role in a film?
Can be, sir, or in your personal life or what?
Hardest role? I don't know. Maybe it's happening presently dahil ang pagsubok dito ngayon sa aking pagtakbo sa pagiging mayor ay medyo maraming pagsubok at maraming hindi ako sanay na may lumalaban at nilalabanan at ang hangad lang naman natin ay tumulong sa tao ng taos-puso at buong talino.
What's the longest hours po you've worked on a shoot?
More than 2 days actually, na medyo idlip-idlip lang when before wala pa tayong mga cut-off time.
What inspired you to run for mayor?
The Partido Federal ng Manila, they needed somebody that they can rely on, that has the capacity and the capabilities, and it seems they believed how I was with the people nung huling election ng 2022 when I ran for vice mayor, and it took a while before I decided kasi nga hindi ko inambisyon, pero ang tawag ng panahon at tawag ng pangangailangan tumulong ay ang nanaig upang tayo ay magdesisyon, hindi lang para sa akin kundi para sa kasama ko sa Partido Federal Manila at para sa Manilain.